Having a good USB microphone right now is more important than it ever has been. Not only for working from home, distance learning needs, or people getting into streaming, or just people wanting to upgrade their streaming setup, or wanting to upgrade anything that they use for any of those things. Well, we'd worked with Tonor in the past with the TC77 microphone, and on a budget, it sounded pretty good. But they reached out and asked us to check out another microphone. This one's called the Q9, and this microphone comes with a arm. It comes with everything, basically. It's the full package. So today, we're gonna be checking it out. It's a USB microphone. Let's see how it does. My name is Chris. This is Coalition Gaming, and today, I'll be your stream technician. If you're new around here and are into PC tech, hardware, gaming, news, reviews, stream tips, and stream tutorials, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss an upload. And, well, yeah, let's get to the video. So this right here is the Tonor Q9. Thank you guys for sending it over, by the way. And we're going to be unboxing it, checking it out. Let's see what's in the box real quick. We got a pop filter. Boom. Foam windscreen. There's a shock mount, perfect. There's a USB cable, looks to be about, I don't know, 6 feet, I think. The clamp to clamp it to a desk. There we go. Basic desk clamp, nothing special here. And then here we have the arm. Now, this isn't a heavy duty arm like the one that we've featured from them before. This is more like the standard cheapy arm you can get for around $10 to $15 on Amazon. But it'll get the job done for a lightweight microphone, of course. And then the microphone itself, right in here. I have to say with this microphone, I do like the build quality on it. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels solid, and on the bottom, that's where you plug in the USB. Nice clicky on the volume adjustment on the front. However, it is a little bit misleading in how it looks, because it looks like you can speak into this mic from all sides and even the top, because the top also has like that perforation. So it looks like you might be able to catch some people using the mic talking into it like this, like it's an RE320 or Tonor or Rode Pod mic. That would be the wrong way to use it. This is a front side address, I guess you would call it. It's a side address cardioid condenser microphone. So you speak to the front of it like this. You're speaking to the front. If you're seeing the volume adjustment in the front, you speak to it there. That is where the capsule is located, in the front, not in the top, not in the back, or rather you can't use it all around the front. Just to keep that in mind, right? Let's get this mic and arm mounted to the table and let's see what it sounds like. And we're back, and we're on the Tonor Q9 microphone. So as you can see, the install process was very straightforward, at least on a desk like this. And what you're listening to now is coming from the microphone. And if this is something that you like, well, hopefully that's good. If not, I'm sure, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. So this is going to be the test that I'm doing now from this distance, which is probably a more common distance. If I was right up on it like this, increasing the proximity effect, I'm sure some people would use it that way too. But if I speak too loudly like this, it might hurt you guys' ears. So I'm going to go back to a normal distance. I use my own microphone that I do weekly streams every Friday, 8 p.m. Pacific, twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew, by the way, at about this distance away from my face. So this is what I like to do as far as like mic test distance wise and all that. Now, right now we do have the pop filter on and we do have the foam windscreen. So let's do some plosive testing real quick. From this distance, right where I'm sitting, it's not exactly in front of my face. I'm going to get in front of it to make sure we maximize that plosiveness. Please, pizza. Dang it, what was I going to say actually? I was going to say, please deliver pizza pronto. Please deliver pizza pronto. Now, I'm sure with this dual layer thing we got going on, it's probably fine. But let's make some adjustment here real quick. Let's move that out of the way. It's blocking my face now. Let's move it away. Take that off there. And now, from here, please deliver pizza pronto. Please deliver pizza pronto. I'm sure the effect was a little bit more pronounced like that. So let's put this stuff back on. Please deliver pizza pronto. Now, it comes with this stuff, and it's not the prettiest, sure, because there are nicer little pop filters you can put onto your microphones. But, hey, it's free. Not free, I guess. It comes with it at no extra charge. Like, it's in the box, might as well use them. So that's why I'm demonstrating it the way that I am today. So now it's my turn to listen back and to see how this all sounds, and I will be right back. So after having listened back to it, I can tell that turning the volume level up in Windows to 100 on this one is probably not the best idea. It's a pretty hot mic from what I can tell, so I put it down to 80, which is what you're hearing right now since we're still on the microphone. I put it down to 80, hopefully that's a little bit better. Also, what I noticed is it doesn't seem to have much in the way of bass. I couldn't really hear too much low end out of it. I don't think it was my headphones. It just seems like it was a little thin. Mids was okay. It was pretty good on highs, and but I think it sounds okay. Now, this microphone costs, I believe, $69.99. Let me double check that. Yes, $69.99. That's what this microphone sells for with the full arm, the full kit. Everything that you're seeing here comes with the USB cable. All this stuff, and I'm sure to some people that might seem like a good price. However, you really start to encroach into the territory of the Samson Q2U, which is a solid dynamic microphone that is both USB and XLR, whereas this one is just USB. You could grow into the other microphone, whereas this one, you get what you get, and you're stuck with what you get. Now, a cool feature on the microphone that I do like is the volume control on the microphone itself. So you can push the button on the microphone plus or minus, and extra to that, if you long press either the plus or minus, you could also mute the microphone real quick. It has an LED indicator right there, so I'm going to hold that. And we're back. So the LED indicator turns off when the mic is muted and turns back on when the mic is unmuted. That's a nice little feature. But like I said, the price puts it in a precarious situation. If you like this microphone and everything that it has to offer, it is still a good value. However, it's competing with other microphones that probably sound just as good, if not better, and have the ability to grow with you and all that stuff. So this microphone, in my opinion, is far less valuable compared to the previous one that I reviewed. If you guys want to check that one out, it will be linked down in the description below or right up here. But it does come with everything. It comes with a shock mount. You'll be hearing less of this sort of stuff if you're typing along. And I don't have a mechanical keyboard on this laptop right here, but I mean, if you're typing loudly still, it's probably still picking it up a little bit. But if you have your microphone situated in a way where it's away and above the keyboard, you have that problem a lot less. So there you go. What do you guys think of this microphone? Drop a comment down below. Let's talk about it. And if you want to see more reviews on microphones and all that sort of stuff, let us know if you like this. I feel like I was pretty neutral in where I stand on this microphone. If you guys have any comments on that, again, drop a comment down below. Let's talk. Anyways, my name is Chris. This is Coalition Gaming. I've been your stream technician, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on our Twitter, Instagram, join our Discord, Facebook, all that stuff. Everything is linked down in the description below, as always, including a link to this product right here if you wanted to check that out. We got a lot more content right over here, so make sure you click one of those videos. We also have the other mic, as well as all sorts of other stuff, so make sure you click one of those videos, and, well, peace out for now. Bye.